Uniswap token list is a valuable resource for cryptocurrency traders and investors, providing a curated list of trusted tokens on the Uniswap platform. This guide will walk you through when to use the Uniswap token list and how to get the most out of it. First, it is essential to understand what the Uniswap token list is. The list is a collection of trusted tokens that have been verified by the Uniswap community, ensuring that they are legitimate and secure. The list is updated regularly to reflect changes in the market and the addition of new tokens. When to use the Uniswap token list depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are a beginner investor, using the Uniswap token list can help you avoid scams and fake tokens. The list provides a level of assurance that the tokens are legitimate and have been vetted by the community. For experienced investors, the Uniswap token list can be a useful tool for discovering new tokens and staying up to date with market trends. The list includes a wide range of tokens, from established players to new and emerging projects. To get the most out of the Uniswap token list, it is crucial to understand how to read and interpret the information provided. The list includes key details such as token name, symbol, and address, as well as information on the token's liquidity and trading volume. Best practices for using the Uniswap token list include doing your own research and due diligence on any token before investing. The list is not a guarantee of a token's success, and it is essential to stay informed about market trends and developments. In conclusion, the Uniswap token list is a valuable resource for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrency. By understanding when to use the list and how to get the most out of it, you can make informed investment decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember to always do your own research and stay up to date with market trends to get the most out of your investment.